Hey guys, are you guys ready for this spooky Cooking with Carlina episode?
I am.
I have my amazing friend Virginia here.
Hey guys, I'm so excited to be here, Carlina. Thank you for inviting me.
Of course! Can you guess what we're making?
I'm thinking it's something to do with drinks.
Yes, I have the adult Halloween spooky punch. So, are you guys ready? Let's get started! How do you like your martini?
Ooh, I definitely like it a little shaken.
Ooh, that's what I got this for right here. Boom. Okay, so first we're gonna start with some tonic water. I like it. Try to get rid of like as much bubbles as possible. All right, go ahead and add your vodka, however much you want. You know you're drinking it.
Let's see. You're drinking it with me. I'm not in this alone, sister.
Oh my gosh. Okay, and then we're gonna add some green dye.
Now what is that? Oh,
This is green dye to give it like that Halloween spooky look.
Ooh.
Yes. And then we have the pineapple juice, which
Yum.
you can add. Yep.
Okay. I love anything with pineapple juice.
Look at that.
Ooh,
let's not do it too high because remember we gotta like shake it eventually. But like while I shake that, we're gonna put some gummies in there at the bottom. Look at that. Look at that.
Ooh. Yeah, give me some more of those.
I know you like those.
I do.
And then like I don't even know why people are like, wait, what are you doing? Make sure it doesn't explode. Like, ooh, it's
That's
not
kind of what I was
explode.
thinking.
Okay. So now that we have that, we're gonna pour like this way. Look at this. Look at this. You're gonna see all the greenness come out. See? Gives it that nice Halloween green look. Look at that. So, if you want some mango sorbet, you can add that in there.
Yeah, let's definitely add that in.
And then while you're doing that, I'm gonna add some raspberries on the side.
Yum.
Just for like decor, that's really like what it is.
Would you like some mango?
Yes!
Put that in there. Today.
Oh, there we go.
All right.
Hold on. Oh, you gotta do your raspberry for your side of your glass. Yep.
This is an intense knife for a raspberry.
It is. It's very intense. But you gotta get it on there. That's fine.
All right.
Woo! Okay, so we have to cheers.
Cheers. We didn't do the look in the eyes.
We didn't. We gotta do it again. Cheers.
Ooh.
You taste it?
You
taste it, right? Like, it's
All
the
right.
adult version. Don't give this to your kids, y'all. Even though Virginia's a mom.
I'm gonna keep drinking. It's just so good.
Right? It's so good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So while we're chatting, I really want to know, first of all, what was your favorite Halloween experience?
Ooh, my favorite Halloween experience. So I went down to Hollywood, or West Hollywood, you know, where they have the big Halloween parade.
Yes.
And I was Tickle Me Elmo. It was great. It was the best. I had a whole button that said tickle me. Everybody wanted to tickle me. Not like that. And I was single at the time. But it was the best. What about yours?
Oh my gosh. Listen, I was a bear, and I think I was like on that, you guys saw my costume on last year's episode.
Like a Care Bear?
No, like a sexy bear. They have a
Ooh.
sexy bear costume. and then
You would
put
make
it
a
on.
sexy bear.
I think, well, my friends are like, you're so mean. They're like, you have the bearish kind of face.
No. Oh my gosh, no.
But it worked with the costume.
Yeah.
So you like you know you have the hood with the hat on it and the eyes, and then like right here it kind of like fluffs out, and then you have like the little fluffy part on your boots that you can pull over your boots, and then you have like paws, and it's super cute.
Oh, super
So,
cute.
like,
and
the
you have a cute
accents
little
are
bear
very-
butt?
Yes, I had
my
the little
gosh.
bear butt, the little button on the back, and it was like, "Wah!"
I'm gonna have to go check that out. It sounds super cute.
You're gonna have to watch it on Cooking with Carlina's Halloween episode last year. Okay, so kind of tell everybody like what do you do?
So I am the executive producer and host for a TV show called The Crypto Cafe.
Yeah.
And for those of you that don't know, it's about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. So, you know, it's a new emerging technology, but we feature women, and we're gonna have actually you, Carlina, be joining us for season 2. So we're so excited.
Yes. I'm so excited too, because I don't really know much about crypto, but I'm excited to be on there.
Yeah, and that's what it's for. It's for everybody just to kind of learn and have mass adoption, and it's all women that we're having on the show so that we have a nice little space for us ladies.
I love that because I support minorities and she's got the ladies. Tag team duo right here.
That's right.
Okay, so, I promise you, my segment producer Specs has this. If you could, I know you're married, but if you can cook with any one of your celebrity crushes,
I know this one.
Oh, you do?
My husband knows this one too.
Okay.
Chris Hemsworth. Why not?
Oh, that's
Thor,
a good one.
absolutely.
Wait, fun fact.
I don't know if I would cook anything though.
Thor's siblings have tried cooking with Carlina's.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Can we arrange this somehow? He's like my one pass. I might not be his one pass.
We might be, maybe we can like, you know, for like your husband, we kind of can like invite him on the show to cook and then kind of hide it. You know what I mean? Like just be like, he's only on the show to cook. That's
right,
all.
exactly.
That's kind of like, you know, it'd have to be my chicken wings though. They're like obsessed with that, which is crazy.
And who's your dream guest?
Oh my gosh. Wait, I don't want to like say. Like you already know. You already know. Okay. My dream ultimate guest. Okay, my celebrity crush. I don't really think he's good at cooking, so I can't have my ultimate celebrity crush on the show. Sorry, Jake Gyllenhaal, I love you, but you already said that you don't know how to cook, so he wouldn't be good.
But that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to teach.
No, but like, wait. I want Dylan O'Brien. He knows this.
Okay.
I want him on my show. Dylan, I want you on my show.
Dylan, let's make this happen.
Let's make this happen because he started out as a YouTuber. I heard he's like a little bit skilled in the kitchen, so I think he'd be really fun.
That'd be a good collaboration.
He would be. He would be. Okay, last question. You ready for it?
They just keep getting better.
They
so
do.
I'm excited to get what I know.
Okay, so for Halloween, if there is one Halloween dish that you wish you could serve any time of the year, what would it be?
Ooh, besides this drink, I don't.
It's so good though.
Yeah, I don't
lit.
know. You know, anything a little spooky. I really love to do like event planning, and so making cute things like this whole set, the decorations,
Yes.
I love it. So anything that, you know, just year round with just making it look like that festivity, that time of year, anything like that.
Ooh, I agree. I want this punch year round. And then also, you know, you've seen like the finger ladies. They taste so good.
Yes, the ones that like they make look like ugly fingers.
Yeah,
like witches
yeah.
Fingers, yeah.
Because they use the almonds as the nails.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah, that's
okay,
what it
I
is.
couldn't figure out what that was.
That's what it
Nice.
is. All right, girl, thank you so much for coming on this
Thank you for having
show.
me.
So for this adult Halloween punch, go to my website, www.cookingwithcarlina.com, and also check me out on Instagram @cookingwithcarlina. Where can everyone find you, Virginia?
And you guys can find me on Instagram and Twitter @VirginiaReyna.
Woo, thank you guys so much. And one more cheers.
Cheers.
This is so good.
Yum.
Bye, guys.